To have a smaller font to display more contents in a single screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you need to decrease the font size. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap visibility enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Tap font size and style, and then under font size section, slide the adjustment bar to the left to get a smaller font. The more left it is, the smaller font used on your phone will be. As a note, you can choose the setting if you like to display more contents within a single screen by displaying the text in your phone with a smaller font, so that you can save your time for scrolling. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.